Hey everyone, welcome to a new video from LakshmiKamathVlogs. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. Today is a very big day in our lives, very big day in the lives of people of Karnataka. Yes, it's May 10th, our Karnataka Assembly Elections today. So, what have we got to do? All the 18 plus crowd, go out to your polling booth and cast your vote. As of now, I haven't gone. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. I did plan to get up a little more early and cast my vote by 10 o'clock and upload this video by afternoon so that you still have time till 5. You can go out and vote. But yes, let's just try to upload this video by 12. Let's see. And let's see how much they allow me to vlog in the polling booth. So yes, I'll take you along. I'll show you the process and all of that. Of course, I can't take it inside, I believe. No camera would be allowed. But yeah, let's go. Let's begin this video. Applied some sunscreen and next some foundation.
Wow!
Tube khali hai. Bisko, there's no time to pump this minute. Let's go with the concealer only. Lakme green iconic eyeliner. Kajal. Applied some red lipstick, got my nails painted. Cause like priorities, right? I have to show that I've casted vote like this. So priorities are to get the nails painted. Talking about elections. So talking about voting, there are two major political parties which have tough competition in Udupi. So I stay in Udupi, that is BJP and Congress. JDS is like almost nil here. The BJP MLA candidate is Yashpal Suvarna and the Congress MLA candidate is Prasad Raj Kanchan. So, and I don't know who is the JDS MLA candidate here. Probably when I go there to vote, I will see and let you guys know. So the intent to make this video, this vlog, and I have plans to upload it by today afternoon, is to encourage people to go out and vote. Whichever be the party, your vote matters. If you are not in the city today, then of course you cannot go out and vote. But if you are in your registered voter city and still not going and not interested, maybe this will encourage you to go out and vote. Whichever party it is, doesn't matter, your vote matters. If you do not vote today, then you have no chance to criticize, no right to criticize the government which will come after these elections, which will be the result of these elections. So remember that and cast your vote. Combing of hair and I'll eat some breakfast. And the time is 9:35. Have breakfast and get going to the polling booth. So what are the things to carry is your identification proof, Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license, and then passport, and then either one of your identification proofs, either Aadhaar card or PAN card or ration card or passport or driving license. Voter ID. Voter ID is the main thing basically. If you don't have that, you can carry any of these, and also that some small chit which they give it in your house. If you carry that, it will be easier for them to sort out. If not, then that's still fine. They can still figure it out. The voting time is from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. So there is still time. It's not 6 p.m. yet. So please go out and vote. This is that cheaty. This is how it looks. This is what they had given at my home. This is Vivekananda School, Government Composite High School. See, there are so many campaigning polls. what is that? Mahiti Kendra. I don't know what do you call that. Or is it them, Congress and BJP guys sitting? I don't know. Here you have to park somewhere, okay? People are going inside. No, that's where's my election center. Here it is, inside this. Yeah, so it's done, guys. It's done. See here. Yes. We had BJP candidates, we had Congress candidates, I mean people who contested for MLA, and also, okay, there was JDS candidate, Prajakiya candidate, Uttama Prajakiya party. That candidate was, names were listed. Aam Aadmi party candidate was there. First name was Dakshit Pujari, I think that was JDS candidate. Second was something I forgot. Third was Prasad Kanchan for Congress. Fourth was Yashpal Suvarna for BJP. Then there was some Republic Party of India whose sign is CCTV camera, it seems. That candidate was also, contesting for MLA. Wow. So many, about eight candidates were there. 8 party people were there. Names were there, sorry. Then I took my Aadhaar card, and then they I had that cheaty, right? That print. So they then asked me if I have my voter ID. Where is my voter ID? I said I forgot it at home. So then they said Aadhaar card is fine. And then there were 2-3 counters, okay? So you have to pass each counter and then go. And then they'll find your name in the voter list. Then I had to go to the polling that part, and then you see a blue button. You have to click on that and wait for 2 seconds. Then leave the blue button. Then it is going to give a beep, which will then say that the vote is done. You have casted your vote. So I didn't know how to do this. Okay, I just pressed it. I pressed the blue button. I was staying there itself. So no, you have to press it for some time and leave it. Then it will give a beep sound. So yeah, that was done. Big thing done today. Now what about this guy? His vote is in Sringeri. So now after voting here, we will now go to Sringeri. It's 10:30 now. It's a 2-hour travel. We'll go to Sringeri. One more thing, what I wanted to tell is, there was one lady whose name was not in the voter list. She came to vote. Yeah, she came to vote. She had some article with her. She had some internet article which said that even if your name is not in that particular voter list, you can vote. She contested there with them saying that I can vote. This article says. And the people in the ground level, right, the first stage, they said, okay, you go inside, contest with them, do a challenge vote. Go challenge them. Then the police, the CRPF guy also let her go in. And then she went in, and then I think she casted her vote, showing them the same article. So many things we don't know. But it was great. I think you can vote without your name being in the voter list, provided you are from that place or you are residing in that place. There's some article like that. So do check that out. Some clause like that. I'm really not sure. Yes, here we are. I came home. From here we'll go to Sringeri. And when I came home, I found one fellow sleeping like there is no tomorrow. Let me show you. Who is this guy? Chanda. Gullo. Chanda Gullo. Chanda. Who is this fellow? Any guesses? This is the only time where I can, pat him with all confidence. Otherwise, he will only and only take his nails out and scratch me, or he will bite me. Ayyo, ये कैसे चला का? ये देवा अम्मा गुत्तू ना दिस्ता लागो ना इलावो तका निदला रहे पाप तजे पाप रे शंकर नाग ये शंकर नाग Shankara, oh Shankara, Chanda, his name is Chanda, but apart from Chanda, we call him everything. Chanda, oh Chanda, oh Chanda, oh Chanda, Chand banda, Chanda, Chand Gulu, hey Gulu, Gulu Gulu. Our angry fellow changing positions. He was sleeping there. Now his new place is here. What a camouflage, maga. ಹೌದು ಮಗ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಂಗೆ ಮಗ ಏನೋ ಮಗನೇ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಾ ಶಂಕರ ಗೋ ಶಂಕರ ಓ ಓ ಓ see our angry fellow angry guy ooh hey hey
He's in deep sleep.
नो अभी ये घस के मारेगा पड़े 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 तो पाए लेते पड़े ये गलियां मुनत्ते उसको जी our innocent Guruji was in too much love mode. He touched him, it seems, and our Chanda got angry. And what he did to you? Okay? तुझे खेलता है तुमका ये प्यार के निशान Okay, the reason I did not vlog inside the polling booth was because no phones allowed. From the moment I entered the polling booth area, that was the primary school, okay? The moment I entered the gate, the first thing I did was I asked the CRPF person, I think personal CRPF guy, the one in the military uniform. I asked him if I can take a video of the polling booth. I make YouTube content. I make YouTube video. He said no phones allowed inside. So hence no photos, videos were taken from it. I mean the voting center. It was the voting center. Okay, the place where we cast the vote was pretty far, but still nothing allowed from the moment I entered the gate. So you are not allowed to click your photos like this, holding like this, nothing. I clicked one, and by the time he shouted saying that, sir, madam, photo nahi lena hai yahan pe. Il photo tagiliki illa, he shouted. Then I came back. So yeah, no videos. So I think I pretty much explained how to vote. So yes, please do go out and vote. Cast your vote, your right. If you don't cast your vote, you lose the right to criticize the government, which will be a result of this election. Vote for a better future. Come on, let's go. Vote for the development of Karnataka. Vote for better development, better infrastructure, better quality of education, whatever it is. Go and vote for whatever your demands are. Vote for that. Whichever party it is, it doesn't matter. Vote for development of Karnataka.